Loops. Loops are fundamental programming constructs that allow you to repeat a set of instructions multiple times. In MakeCode Arcade, loops are especially useful for tasks like animating sprites, creating repeated patterns, or controlling different elements. Benefits. Loops let you repeat actions without writing the same code again and again. They make your code shorter and easier to understand. Loops are great for doing things many times, like moving a character. Changing one loop can update lots of parts of your game at once. Loops make your game more fun by adding repeating animations and patterns. For example, you have 5 plants lined up in your garden and you want to water all. Instead of watering each plant individually and keeping track of which ones you've already watered, you can think of using a loop. 1. Start watering. You begin at the first plant and water it. 2. Move to the next plant. After watering the first plant, you move to the second plant. 3. Repeat the process. You continue watering each plant one by one, moving to the next plant after each one. 4. Finish watering. Once you have watered the last, that is the 5th plant, you stop. The loop makes sure you water each plant in turn without skipping any or watering the same one twice. You just follow the same action, that is, water the plant repeatedly until all the plants have been watered. Different types of loops. Loops run a statement or group of statements multiple times. There are different types of loops. Let us look at them. Repeat n times loop. The repeat loop executes a block of code a specified number of times. It's useful when you know exactly how many times you want to repeat an action. Let us create a project in MakeCode Arcade that demonstrates the use of repeat block to display numbers from 1 to 10. To do so, follow the given steps. 1. Visit the https://arcade.makecode.com/ link to access the Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. 2. Click on the New Project button. 3. Type repeat loop as the name of your project. 4. Click on the Create button. 5. Click on the Variable Blocks category. 6. Create a variable with the name num. 7. Drag the set to block from the variables block category and drop it inside the onStart block in the workspace. 8. Change the value of num variable from 0 to 1. 9. Change the value of repeat block from 4. 10. Drag the repeat block from the loops blocks category and drop it below the set to block in the workspace. 11. Drag the splash block from the game blocks and drop it inside the repeat block in the workspace. 12. Type the number in the message area of the splash block. 13. Click on the plus button to add new message area. 14. Drag the variable block, that is num, from the variables blocks category and drop it inside the message area in the splash block. 15. Drag the change by block from the variables blocks category and drop it below the splash block. 16. Click on the Start the Simulator button in the Simulator toolbar to start the game. 17. Click on the A button in the game controls to view the output of next iteration of the repeat loop. 18. Click on the A button 8 times in the game controls to view the output of last iteration of the repeat loop. Forever loop. The forever loop is a special loop that runs continuously throughout the entire project. It is often used for actions that need to happen repeatedly without stopping, such as updating the score, checking for collisions, or moving a sprite. Let us create a project in MakeCode Arcade that demonstrates the use of forever block to scale the sprite. Prepare the project in MakeCode Arcade as shown below. When you run the project, the output from initial stage to final stage are as follows. For loop. The for loop is a counting loop which is useful for situations where you need a counter variable that can be used within the loop. It repeats a block of code a specific number of times like the repeat loop, but with more control over the iteration process. Let us create a project in 𝐸𝐶ode that demonstrates the use of for block to display numbers from 0 to 10. Prepare the project in 𝐸𝐶ode as shown below. When you run the project, the following output displays the first iteration of the for loop. Now, click on the A button in the game controls to view the further output till it reaches the last iteration of the for loop. While loop. The while loop runs if a specified condition is true. This type of loop is useful when the number of iterations depends on a dynamic condition rather than a fixed count. Using while loops allows for actions and tasks that repeat until certain conditions are met. Let us create a project in 𝐸𝐶ode that demonstrates the use of while block to display the table of 2. Prepare the project in 𝐸𝐶ode as shown below. The join block is used to concatenate, that is, combine two or more pieces of text, that is, strings together into a single string. This block is particularly used when you need to create a message or label that combines static text with dynamic values, such as scores or player names. When you run the project, the following output displays the first iteration of the while loop. Now, click on the A button in the game controls to view the further output till it reaches the last iteration of the while loop.